out with a G63 Urban kit. Come inside and let's talk about features. This car is just a beauty itself. If I show you this from outside, oh my god. It's got everything bro. Carbon fibre everywhere, carbon fibre hood. It's got the fucking lights on the top, everything. Star lights as well inside. It's insane, insane. Sounds lethal. When I say it sounds lethal. Bro, it's a beautiful car and I think it's perfectly built for me. And I'm gonna buy this today.
I think you should shut your mouth. You ain't buying nothing.
You reckon I can buy this in the next 2 years?
No, you will buy this in the next 2 years.
Yeah, there's so many features. I don't know what to fucking talk about. Bro.
Where do you start?
It's got all the normal stock G63 features. This car is from Close Protection. If you lot don't know, check their Instagram out. And then you know this car was famous. It was wrapped by Yanimaz before in gold, and it had a PPF done by Yanimaz as well. And yeah, it's from Close Protection. It's that G-Wagon that got famous like a good 4 years ago all over social media that had the Sunna plate on it. So yeah, this is the same G63. Let's do a sound test on the G63. So it's close.
Fucking hell.
Just get the car going on.
Go on.
Beautiful car. Such a bro on a level, bro. Custom service is the next level. Bro.
This
is like when you have like fuck ton of money, bro. You buy this shit. The guy who had this car before, he spent 40 grand extras on the car, bro. He got urban kit fucking on a G63, bro. They're fucking expensive, man. Let's show them from outside.
Red calipers as well, everything.
It's too big, bro. Have you got the shots from the front? Fucking hell, bro. Looks nasty. Inshallah,
Now do it.
Yo, testing, HS Media, action. Yeah, you know the vibe. Say something to the camera. Anything that comes to your mind. Your mind is blank right now. Anything that comes to your mind, just say it to the camera.
Hassan has a lovely ass.
Yeah, what are you saying, people? So today, as you know, I lost the race at Snake Pass, yeah, because my 4MATIC was off. I have dusted Ruben a couple of times after that, and continuously will be dusting him. Even though he gets a new car in the future, I will be dusting him. So the forfeit is that Moj is going to drive my car. That was a forfeit in that video. So today, that's what's going to be happening today. So yeah, Moj, are you ready to drive my car?
I can't lie, I'm not, but
This is not your. I'm telling you now, yeah. Before we go into it, it's not like your fucking Yaris.
in my car, all I know is in my car, I have to full.
Some words of advice to Mr. Moj before he gets into my car.
Your target for this video, yeah, is you need minimum 15 to 20 pops and bangs separate times, yeah.
Okay.
And
Let's go. This is gonna be actually entertaining, you know.
it.
Right, so Moj he's insured on the car for this vlog, so we've got a few hours of insurance just so he can drive the car. Because he's turned 21 right now, that's why. He's 21, so he's insured for a few hours. You get me? Drive off in comfort. Check your rear view mirrors. Rear view mirror. Which one's your rear view mirror? Which one's your rear view mirror? Which one's your rear view mirror? Why are you looking there for?
There's nothing
This
there.
guy's doing it already, bro. I'm letting this fucking drive my car. He doesn't even know what a rear view mirror is.
There's nothing there, G.
I know, but I'm asking you to look at it and you're looking there. That's the mistake that you're making. What do you say before driving the car?
Bismillah.
No, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Listen, drive.
Chill.
This is my first time driving it.
Moj, can you hurry the fuck up?
No time to hurry up. Wait, no, chill. Did I tell you to do that? Did I tell you?
Alright, okay.
Go on 20. Go to 20. Don't floor it to 20.
I didn't even I'm not even pressing anything.
Yeah, I told you. Now do you understand that I don't fucking floor my car?
I'm not even pressing anything, bro.
Yeah.
Legit, I'm not pressing anything.
Over here, we're gonna go individual, yeah? Individual, give it a bit of kick. That's it. No, don't fully floor it. Go on, keep it going, bro. What are you doing? You're gonna fuck the turbo up. Just keep it going. Watch it, the car's on the rear wheel as well.
Fuck it now.
Fuck me, bro.
No, give it a little kick. There you go, that's a pops and bangs. Watch the curve, you did it fucking hit.
Nah, I didn't.
That's the pops and bangs. Bro, chill out, this car.
Bro, I know how to drive, bro.
I know you do, but this is 300 brake. From 50 brake horsepower, you go to 300.
Bro, this is the fastest car I've driven in my life.
Yeah, there you go. Chill out. There's a guy in the back, bro. Chill. You don't want to run him over.
Are you scared? Are you scared? Are you scared?
Go and kick it here a bit. Kick it.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh my god, bro.
Go down to gear 2. Don't kick it that much. Just give it that push.
Oof.
Chill out. Chill out as a car. Chill out.
Wow. This is fucking
automatic.
insane. This
Go,
is
give
fucking
it.
insane, bro. I did not think it would be this fast. I promise you, I did not. Bro, I've been asking you the same question since you got the car. Bro, are you sure you're not putting your foot down as much as you think?
No, I told you,
As
only
much
put it
as
down
I
a bit.
think?
I only turned it
Because
down a bit.
I feel like you know when you feel that kick.
Do the kick and then talk after, bro. Fuck. Oh my
To me-
dude.
Hey! Chill the fuck out!
Oh
Man,
my
sharp as fuck.
God.
Chill the fuck out. The
I know
car's in
how
front.
to handle it, man.
You don't know shit how to handle it. Give it a kick. Go. Behind the car. Just go to behind the car.
Would fucking
Why
hell.
is it so fucking
Powerful as
responsive?
fuck.
It's sharp, innit? Alright, just stop doing that. Just stop doing that. You're gonna fuck up the turbo. No, don't. Why are you putting a gear 1 for? You retard.
I thought it was gear 3.
No, you wasn't. Don't use a pilot shift now because you're fucking up the gears, mate.
Okay, let's stop.
Go left.
Now go straight.
Yeah, oh, why are you taking me here, bro?
No, you're sure, don't worry.
Oh, bro, you should have gone, man.
Watch it. Fine, just take your time.
I'm
not in a
chill.
rush. Are
I'm
you in a
chill.
rush?
Yeah, I'm not in a rush.
Are you in a rush?
I'm not in a rush.
Huh?
No, he's not. I'm not in a rush.
Yo, I didn't tell you if I'm in a rush or not.
Yeah, shut the fuck up, bro.
Yeah,
We don't give a
just
fuck in your rush.
Don't just assume things.
This Passy Princess is demanding too much, bro.
Oh,
No,
no,
no.
fucking.
Okay, go after this. Go.
Watch,
Camera, just keep it at 20, yeah? Don't
Yeah,
go 30.
Just be calm with it.
I'm fine.
Tell you, when you say you go 40, you go 40. Understand?
Yes, daddy. Yes, daddy. Yes, daddy. Yeah.
On the right lane. Oh, fucking take it. Why are you going slow?
Bro, it's
Take it,
spinning.
overtake it.
Spinning.
Go!
Don't fucking stop using the paddle shifters. You don't know how to use them.
The car was spinning then, bro.
Yes, I know. That's what I was talking
Is it
about.
rear wheel?
No, it's not. It's a front wheel. It self fucking drifts out, bro.
Too fast for front wheel, bro.
Yes, I know it is. Slow down. You go there. Just take it right.
So is it in rear wheel or front wheel? Let me get it straight. In individual.
It's just in every wheel. Just go and right.
That
Stress
was
vaping right
sick.
now. Stress vaping.
Don't worry, don't stress. It'll all be good.
Get my fucking hand off my tire. These roads are fucked now, innit?
They
Yeah.
are, man.
Bro, they used to be fucked,
They
but
used
the
to
A
be-
class you could
But you
could
couldn't
have.
tell them.
No, when I used to have the A class, it still used to be a bit more cleaner.
Yeah, they did. But you couldn't.
Go and kick it.
Fucking hell.
Send it.
Watch it.
Watch it.
Why is it turbo? Is it turbo making that noise?
Yes. Fucking next to your car. Fucking done with you, mate.
Nah, I want to drive it for longer, bro.
Oh, fuck off, bro. You
Nah,
mad?
I'm being serious.
Alright, go on one more spin, that's it. Enjoy it. This is your last fucking round, by the way.
It's funny.
Okay, just tell me where I can give it a bit of.
No, there's not any a bit of this or a bit of that.
It's done now. You've
Don't
done it.
That's it. And if you chill the fuck out, you're gonna fucking drift out. I'm telling you now.
I'm barely pressing it though.
I know, but this is how it drifts out. You see how it didn't just Ruben on that day on Snake Pass now? You understand how?
Yeah.
Go on. Load it, go on. Yeah, that's it.
This is fucking insanely quick. I can't lie, I underestimated how fast it's gonna be.
Yeah.
Like I've seen you drag it, but you don't know until you actually press them.
Drive it. How do you feel? Relax now, innit?
How do you feel like
I feel like my tires are full.
your tyres? I didn't do nothing to your tyres, man.
They're off. Oh shit.
You're my ass, boy!
Guy turned into a demon, bro. What the fuck? Look at him, he's fucking laughing. He's fucking loving it.
So what, you fucking living?
Woo!
the day that we came back from Blackpool?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You can't even see that guy in the back, bro.
I know, barely.
Because I'm so happy I'm not Indian, bro.
I'm not Indian, G.
Jay, you are
I'm
Indian.
Greek.
That's what it sounds like.
I'm Greek.
Oh, look at that, look at the setup. Look at the setup.
You're blinding my eyes out, mate.
Oh, your fault.
Whoa, listen, I swear kids watch these videos, so chill out.
Listen, stop it.
Nah, listen, yeah, I ain't gay. Like, after chilling with Muj, I'm getting the Muj effect.
Oh my god, bro. Just pin the blame on me.
Like, everyone was getting the card effect in Mr. Beast, yeah, this is the Muj effect. Muj, hey, would you be surprised if this guy came out, like, saying that I'm gay?
Moji.
Yeah.
No,
This isn't going in the video, bro. I'm not
This is-
publicly telling the world that I'm fucking gay. When I'm not.
Oh, what the fuck? You are gay? So you are
I
gay?
said when I'm not.
No.
Rep.
So me, I'm concerned, bro. Wallahi, I'm concerned, bro. Muj,
Fuck.
not on the level, bro. If you're gay, you can just say it, bro. We'll just keep our limits. innit?
I'm not gay. I am not
No,
gay.
bro, you just said it, bro. It's like, you know when you fuck up and you say the right thing instead of the wrong? You get
Yeah.
me? You was meant to say the wrong thing, you get me?
This is it, bro.
Nah, you're not gonna cut that part out, bro.
I ain't gonna cut shit out, wallahi. But
You're gonna cut it out when I said
at this point in the video, you're looking gay, bro. After saying that. Like, before that, you didn't look gay. But
So,
it's
now
like-
the title
now
of
it's
the
like
video-
fucking 99.9%, I'm sure that you're fucking gay.
Now the title of the video is gonna be my gay best friend.
Why willing to do that?
Why is it sounding sus? Why? Subi, is it not sounding sus?
He
I
is.
ain't willing to do that just to blow up.
He is,
Like,
he is.
it's like he's gay,
He is.
but he's not willing to come out as gay right now because he just want to blow up.
Low key.
It's giving sus.
Like even.
None of this can go in the vlog.
It is gonna go in the vlog.
No.
It is.
All right, how about we get the
You
fuck-
know I'm gonna put it in the
How
vlog, which is no
about-
point of saying
How
it.
about we get the fuck out of here now?
Bro, when people come up to me and say, oh, you're that YouTuber, now they're gonna come up to me and say, oh, you're that fucking gay YouTuber, bro. Are you mad? I ain't
So-
gay, fam.
So what, bro? It's fine. It's 2025 if you are gay. It's but it's calm, bro. If someone calls you a gay YouTuber, at least like people know you, innit?
Nah, bro.
Not yet.
Why did you think about that?
Not yet. Not yet.
Why did you have to think about that?
I actually thought about it as well. Anyways, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I know I've not been giving out much content at the moment because I had a few setbacks in my life. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And in the meanwhile, I'll take out some information if this guy's gay or not. Safe in a bit.